Hello friends, today's video is plant pathology mark test 1. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And if you are interested to join in Telegram channel, link is in description box, you can join. First question is, the cell wall of the mycelium of true fungi, that is Oomycota, contains. That is, it contains what? Cellulose or kinetin or like that. Had to write. And second question, phylum Plasmodiflora mycetes, that is lower fungi, belong to the kingdom. This is very important question because it is an exceptional one and frequently asked question too. So think and write. Third question, parasexuality was first discovered by. Who first discovered parasexuality? Okay. And fourth question, the ribosomes in prokaryotes. What are the ribosomes? That is 50 years or 60 years or 70 years or 80 years, like that you have to write. And coming to the fifth question, International Mycological Institute is located at which country it is located? International Mycological Institute is located. Write down the answers. I'll give few seconds time. Please go through these 5 questions. I think shall we go for the answers? Please take a note on these questions. And coming to the answers, the cell wall of mycelium of true fungi, that is Oomycota, contains glucan and kinetin. And second question, the phylum Plasmodiflora mycetes, lower fungi, belong to the kingdom Protozoa. And most of them are that is belong to fungi, kingdom fungi, but this is the exceptional one and frequently asked, so please take a note. And parasexuality was first discovered by Pontecorvo. And the ribosome in prokaryotes is 70 years. And coming to the fifth question, International Mycological Institute is located at England. Then sixth question, the Indian Phytopathological Society was started by. That is, who started Indian Phytopathological Society? Okay. And seventh question is important question. Hyperplasia refers to. Okay. And eighth question, blotter test is used. What is the use of blotter test? Okay. These are important questions. And ninth question, viruses enter the plant cells through a process of. Through which process the viruses gets enter into the plant cells? And coming to the 10th question, diseases which interfere with the conduction of water in plant. Due to which disease the conduction of water in plant is affected? Please write down the answers. I'll give few seconds time. That is, the answers are, the Indian Phytopathological Society was started by scientist P.B. Mundkar, and hyperplasia refers to increased cell division. Okay. And blotter test is used in seed health testing. Viruses enter the plant cells through a process of pinocytosis. Okay. And 10th question, the diseases which interfere with the conduction of water in plants is wilt. Due to the disease wilt only, the conduction of water in plants get affected. Okay. These are very important questions. Please take down the answers if you don't know. And 11th question, tumors or gall are induced by Agrobacterium tumefaciens occur due to the what reason the tumors and galls are produced by Agrobacterium, they are asking. Next, bacterial cell wall is made up of. Okay. Next, the genetic material in a bacterial cell is. What is the genetic material present in bacterial cell? Next, agrocin 84 is dash. That is what? Next, 15th question, phytoplasmas contain either DNA or RNA or both, or neither DNA nor RNA. Have to write. I'll give few seconds time. Please write down the answers. Coming to the answers, the tumors or galls induced by Agrobacterium tumefaciens occur due to hormonal imbalance. Okay. And 12th question, bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. It is very important question. And the genetic material in bacterial cell is a nucleoid region. This is also very important question. And agrocin 84 is a bacteriocin. Next, phytoplasmas contain both RNA and DNA, RNA plus DNA. Okay. Next, 16th question. MLO and spiroplasma are mostly. What are their roles? Like that you have to write. And 17th question. Most of the plant viruses contain, that is, they contain RNA or DNA, had right. And 18th question. The famous Irish famine of 1842 was caused due to the outbreak of which disease? It is very familiar question, and sure this question is frequently asked. Okay. And 19th question. The term virus was coined by. Who coined the term virus? And 20th question. A virus particle is composed of. Okay. Coming to the answers, MLO and spiroplasma are mostly phloem inhibiting. Okay. And most of the plant viruses contain RNA. The famous Irish famine of 1842 was caused due to outbreak of late blight of potato. It is caused by Phytophthora infestensis. Okay. The term virus was coined by Beijernik. And a virus particle is composed of nucleic acid plus protein. Okay. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. That's all about today's video, and you can join in Telegram channel. Link is in description box, and please share the video with your friends. All the best. Study well. Thank you.